Winters are around and we need to take a good care of our body to keep it soft and supple throughout this harsh winter months. Today I'll share with you a full body care routine through which you can maintain a soft and supple and healthy looking skin. To start with the process, I will make a quick body scrub with all natural ingredients. Here I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of oatmeal. To this oatmeal, I will also add some honey. This is a pure organic honey. You can use any pure honey that is available around you. And to this, I will add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. This is a full cream milk to soak the oatmeal. For all the ingredients I have mentioned, you can adjust the quantity of these ingredients according to your need. So first, I will start with applying this mixture on my face. I never apply any kind of scrub on my face, so this helps gently exfoliate my skin. I normally use chemical exfoliant, but these kind of body scrubs really help in the winter because of the natural goodness of the ingredients that we added to this. Now we will leave our face just like that and apply this mixture all over our body and then keep massaging it in circular motion. Especially I like to target on all the folds and areas such as the knees, elbows, underarms and around the neck. The ingredients that we have used for this body scrub is highly beneficial for dry skin people. Oatmeal helps moisturize, protect, exfoliate and cleanses your body. Oatmeal also helps boost collagen production. It improves your skin complexion and reduces skin inflammation. Honey deeply moisturizes and hydrates our skin. It diminishes the signs of premature aging. It also cleanses pores and gently exfoliates our skin. Honey also helps lightening scars and hyperpigmentation. It also fights acne and breakouts and also helps to relieve sunburn. Our next ingredient in this list is milk. The protein found naturally in milk helps boost the elasticity of our skin, so we get fewer wrinkles and they appear very slowly. Milk also contains retinol and vitamin D, which can help protect our skin from damaging sun rays. When we mix milk in face pack or body scrubs, it helps exfoliate the upper layer of our skin and helps us achieve a healthy, glowing looking skin. If you have dry skin issues and especially during winters, this pack will help you to retain the moisture of your body throughout the winter. I feel like during the winter we need to take care more of our body, especially on the parts that I have mentioned, like around the knees, on your toes and ankles, because these body parts we just skip to look after, and the skin around these places, it gets thickened and darker than the rest of our body. So using this kind of a body scrub for at least once a week will help to retain the body texture and also help to retain moisture in your body. I like to gently wash that off with cold running water. It is better to use room temperature water if you can, but I can understand that during winters it is really hard to use room temperature water. When we apply warm water on our skin, it takes away the moisture from our skin, and that is what we want to avoid, especially during winters. With this scrub, while you wash this off, you can massage your skin in circular motion so that the dead skin could be exfoliated really well and you are left with a healthy, glowing and supple skin. This Nivea shower cream is the new addition to my shower routine. This fresh blend is enriched with apricot, mango and rice milk. This is the first time I'm ever using a shower cream, because before that I had no idea about shower cream and I used to use shower gel. but there is a big difference in both of these. And this Nivea Fresh blend, it is very refreshing and keeps your skin soft and supple. This shower cream from Nivea is 98% biodegradable formula. It is 90% naturally derived ingredients. It has a vegan formula and the bottle is made of 97% recycled plastic. There are a few other variants of this Nivea Fresh blend, but I really enjoy this apricot, mango and rice milk one. During winters, we especially need a face wash which doesn't snatch out the natural moisture from our face. And to the rescue, I have this Neutrogena Liquid Pure Mild Facial Cleanser, which is fragrance free and is suitable for normal to oily skin types. After the shower, it is now time to lock in the moisture that we have got from the shower now. Here I am applying my two favorite serum. One is from The Ordinary, is the niacinamide 10% and zinc 1%, and the newer one is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This gives my skin an instant freshness and it is retained throughout the day. And I like to finish my winter skincare routine with my Aveeno Skin Relief Moisturizing Cream with cooling actions. This is a thick balm cream which is clinically proven to soothe extra dry, cracked skin, and it is enriched with oatmeal and shea butter. For my entire body, I prefer organic cold pressed coconut oil. Let me know in the comment section below if you enjoyed this winter skincare routine, and if you do something different than this, then what are the products that you really love and enjoy during this season. See you all in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all and bye bye.